Hi friends, this is Madhavi from Narayana Tech House. Today I would like to explain about simple program in Python, that is write a program to display all words which starts with consonants and ends with vowel. First of all, we have to take input from user. This input we have to assign one variable, that is st or any variable. So after that we have to define vowels. What are vowels? These vowels I am assigning to one variable. You can take any name or any variable. So after that we have to split this string. Whatever user gives to us, that string we have to split. This splitted string we have to assign into one variable. Then first, for example, user gives one string like this. So this is the input string from user. So this string here it's splitted into words. It becomes split function split this string into words. Here we didn't mention any delimiter. Default delimiter is space. So here space is there. That's why it split this string into wherever space is there. Split function splits each word. So we have to check each word whether it starts from consonant and ends with vowel. So for that, for checking each word, we take for loop. Because of for loop takes one by one word. So for I in st1. Then we have to check first letter. First letter starts with consonant and ends with vowel. First letter, last letter we have to check. Then write condition. If I of 0. I of 0 means index number. Index number here. Index number starts with 0 and end starts with -1. So if I of 0 not in V. V means A, E, I, O, U, vowels. I of 0 not in vowels. And I of -1 in vowels, because of we want the words which starts with consonants. That means I of 0 not in vowel. Not in vowel means consonants. I of -1 in vowel. That means we want ends with vowel words. So here take one empty list. These words append into this list. Then at last we have to print these words. The words we are appended into this empty list. So we have to print this empty list. Then we can check each word from this. First take for I in ST1. What is the first time I value in this string? Means first time I value Python. In Python word, I of 0 not in vowel. I of 0 means P. P not in vowel. This condition is true. And I of -1 in vowel. I of -1 here N. N not in vowel. This becomes false. Then the word not added into this list. Then second time I value is. In is I of 0 not in vowel. What is the I of 0 value? I. I is the vowel. So it is false. And I of -1 in vowel. So I of -1 value yes. Yes in vowel. This condition is false. So it is not added into this list. Next time I value object. I of 0 value here O. I of 0 not in vowel. O is the vowel word. So it is false. And I of -1 here T. I of -1 in vowel. It is not vowel. So it is also, this condition also false. This word also not added into this list. So next word oriented. I of 0 value O. We want I of 0 not in vowel, but this is vowel. So this condition is false. Next I of -1 in vowels. I of -1 value D. It is not in vowel. So this condition also false. It is not added into this list. Next word programming. P. I of 0 not in vowel. This is not in vowel. This condition is true. Next condition. I of -1 in vowel. I of -1 G in vowel. G is not vowel. So this condition is false. This word also not added into this list. Next language. I of 0 not in vowel. L. I of 0 value L. L not in vowel. This condition is true. Then I of -1 in vowel. E. E letter is in vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So both conditions are true. This word added into this list. So this word is here append to L, empty list. Here we print that empty list, then output becomes this print function returns this output. Thank you.